terrorists मिट्टी में मिला देंगे. This was Prime Minister Narendra Modi's message to the terrorists, to Pakistan and to the entire world. No one can dare to break India's spirit. Terrorism will not go unpunished. Yesterday, India announced a list of diplomatic actions to hurt Pakistan, the safe haven and the breeding ground for terrorists. Today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi wrote from Bihar of punishment beyond imagination, not just of terrorists but their backers too. He said, India's spirit will never be broken by terrorism. And to give a message to the entire world, Prime Minister Modi switched to English during his rally in Bihar's Madhubani and said, "Today, from the soil of Bihar, I say this to the whole world. India will identify, trace and punish every terrorist and their backers. We will pursue them to the ends of the earth." Unquote. Remember, unarmed, innocent tourists were brutally killed in Kashmir's Pahalgam for not being Muslims. As the mortal remains have begun reaching the hometowns of those who lost their lives, there is anger among Indians. There is a demand for justice, demand for revenge. Those who mercilessly killed 28 innocent civilians should be made to pay the price. These terrorists and their handlers should face the consequences so that they don't ever dare to do this again. Listen in to what the Prime Minister said.
अब आतंकियों की बची खुची जमीन को भी मिट्टी में मिलाने का समय आ गया है और इस हमले की साजिश रचने वालों को उनकी कल्पना से भी बड़ी सजा मिलेगी. सजा मिलकर के रहेगी. 140 करोड़ भारतीयों की इच्छा शक्ति अब आतंकी आकाओं की कमर तोड़ कर रहेगी. I say to the whole world, India will identify, track and punish every terrorist and their backers. We will pursue them to the ends of the earth. India's spirit will never be broken by terrorism.